In this video, we're going to learn about accounting periods, the year-end journal, and how to lock your accounts. What we'll see is what an accounting period is, what do you do when you reach your year-end, how to undo the year-end, how to delete the accounting period, and how to lock accounts whilst you prepare for your year-end. Accounting periods in Bright Pearl are used to prevent changes to your figures once you've reported on your annual profit and balances. While a period is open, transactions can be entered for that period. Once a period is closed, nobody can enter transactions into it. At the point of closing an accounting period, an accounting transaction is created. Typically, the accounting periods you set up in Bright Pearl will match the dates of your company financial year. Because entries can only be made in an open period, you need to make sure that you always have a current, open financial year ready to take new transactions. You could actually create a couple of financial years now. You don't have to wait until your current year is over. Simply enter the start date and the end date and click the Create New Financial Year. Before you close your financial year, you should do some general housekeeping. Use the Data Check feature to see if you have any problems to address. This can be found under the Accounting and Data Check. We recommend reconciling all your bank accounts before you close a year end, since bank reconciliation typically highlights any errors you have made. Once you have checked the data, you have found no issues, and you have no more entries to make for this period, close the period. This is a simple case of pressing the Close Period button. What this does in the system is create a journal with a type YE, which we can see under the General Ledger. This year-end journal clears down the balances of each of your revenue and expense account codes. Your revenue and expense accounts codes are the ones that make up your profit and loss report or income statement. They are the ones in the account code range 4,000 to 9,999. The sum of all your revenue less the sum of all your expenses gives you the profit you have made during the period. This total sum is your retained earnings, which in Bright Pearl is called the profit and loss account. You will see this recorded against the account code 3200. You can also see this year-end balance under the balance sheet. The retained earnings figure is a total of all the previous closed years and the row below it. The profit and loss balance is a value from your current year that you have not yet closed. There will be occasions that you need to undo your year-end. This is also a simple operation within Bright Pearl. Here you will see that we have the year-end that we have just closed. There is now a link to reopen that period. The accounting period is now open, but the year-end journal that was created has not been removed, and we'll need to do this manually. What we can see here is the year-end journal, and if we go into this year-end journal, we can actually click and cancel it if needed. If you do make a mistake in your year-end date, you can delete the accounting period and re-enter it. Deleting an accounting period will not delete any of accounting transactions. As well as having a year-end, you may also have a period end or a month end. These are times when you prepare management reports, and once you have produced a management report for a period, you need to stop other users from posting information into that period, so the values do not change without your control. However, you want to keep the financial year open to make your own financial transactions. What you can do is lock the accounts for your exclusive use. Only the person who has locked the accounts can create accounting entries prior to this date. Once you've produced the management reports, update the lock date to the last day of your reporting period. You may wish to set up a new user to do this, so you do not inadvertently post into this lock period yourself by mistake. To unlock the accounts, just click the Unlock link. In this video we have seen what an accounting period is, what to do when you reach your year end, how to undo your year end, how to delete an accounting period, and how to lock accounts while you prepare for your year end. That takes us to the end of the video about accounting periods and the year end.